Hey scrappers, Tom from iScrap, and all you electricians out there, you know exactly what this is. These were pieces of cable that were taped together, little string on it so you could pull it through the pipe. Once you pulled this through the pipe or the conduit, you chop it off and now you have a piece of scrap. Well, what do you do from here? Some people don't really care, they sell it like it is. Other people will take a piece like this, cut all of the tape off, the electrical tape off, and strip it down for bare bright. If you went to sell this to your scrapyard as a 500 or a 750 MCM, they will probably give you pushback because these aren't items that they're going to be able to push through their wire strippers easily. They're probably going to sell it as an insulated cable. But if you're looking to make more money by taking this tape off with a knife, stripping it down, then stripping the wire with a wire stripper. And if you're looking for wire strippers, you can click on the link below so we can show you some recommended ones and why you should purchase them. But by using wire strippers, you make more money. But sometimes, if you only have one piece like this, your time is worth money, and it's not always worth cutting this apart. If you could sell this for $2 instead of stripping it and selling it for $2.50, sometimes you get it out of the truck and you move on with your day. Another tip from iScrap. Any other ideas you have, comment below. Until next time, I'll scrap you later. Thanks for checking out our scrap videos. By becoming a Patreon supporter today, you'll be entered into monthly giveaways for tools and other products to help you make more money with your scrap.